So then guys, we've had loads of leaks and rumours come in about the iPhone 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max over the last week or so, where the design could be changes like to these renders that you're seeing right here. And even myself, I've even done a 3D printout of the design that we heard from Jon Prosser over a week ago, where we could be getting this large bar here. And even we've had other leaks coming in very recently telling us that this is likely going to be now the case, as it were, just like this leak we got right here from Sonny Dixon telling us that this is definitely probably going to be the design we're going to get for the iPhone Pro series going forwards. And in fact, we've even had another leak right here from Majin Buu, who's even confirmed exactly the same thing again, who originally said that this design that Jon Prosser first showed to us wasn't going to be happening, and now he's all up for it, saying, yep, this is the iPhone 17 Pro and the iPhone 17 Pro Max design going forwards. And as you can see right here, he's even shown us some CAD drawings now, as it were, of all the iPhone 17 models. But what I would say is, as much as he's made these CAD drawings or provide these CAD drawings, like I did, I managed to make my own CAD drawings and make my own 3D models. So to me, this doesn't really prove too much. Anyone can do this really who's got some sort of modeling expertise. It is very simple to do. So I am going to throw that out there for everybody. Now, from my point of view, I think we need one more person or one more leaker to confirm this is the design. Someone like Min-Chi Kuo or let's say Mark Gurman to change his mind, because he was with Majin Buu saying this isn't the design. But once those two or one of those two have confirmed this is the design, I'm more confident to think that this is probably going to be the design we are going to be getting in the future for this year for the iPhone 17 Pro and the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Now, from my point of view, one thing that's been bothering me about this design over the last week is this blank space that you can see right here between the camera lenses and, say, the flash and the LiDAR sensor. It looks like it's unutilized space, but suddenly it occurred to me what Apple could possibly do with this space here. Have a look at these renders right here. I think there's the possibility that there could actually be a mini screen added to the back of the iPhone. Now, don't think I'm going too crazy here. We have actually had smartphones in the past where they've had a little screen in the back, and if you think about it, if you're a person who likes to take selfie pictures or things like this, or a person's in a meeting and has your phone down, you have an Apple Watch or something like this, then obviously this little screen could actually help you out in telling you, of notifications and things like this. Very similar to like what the Apple Watch does right now. And to be honest, this could be what this space is being utilized for. At the end of the day, smartphone screens are very, very thin and small now. So actually to add a little screen into the size of the back here, there's a lot of potential that Apple could do this, especially the fact that also, for example, like flip phones out there, they have the screens on the back and you don't need a lot of space. You have a screen on the other side, the folding bit of it, and they can fit everything in with the cameras, the lot, into this space. So the potential there is definitely the possibility that we could actually get a screen in here. Now, I will say this, there are no leaks or rumors just yet with this, but do remember when we go back to, say, the iPhone 14 series, when we heard of the iPhone 14 Pro and the iPhone 14 Pro Max, we originally thought that we were going to be getting a pill shape and a hole punch, on the front screen, looked really, really ugly. And then when everything was all revealed, it actually got changed to Dynamic Island. And look at the abilities that we can do with Dynamic Island, how helpful it is to a lot of people out there. Maybe this is the same thing. On dummies and concepts, we can't actually see a screen here because obviously it's blackened out, but there is the potential that Apple could be offering a screen here. And if it doesn't appear, say, on the iPhone 17 models this time around, on the Pro ones, maybe the iPhone 18, because at the end of the day, Apple kept the same sort of design with the three sort of triple camera sort of set up in a square, I would say, ever since, say, the iPhone 11 Pro series, and that's stayed all the way up to, say, these iPhone 17 models. So, it's more than likely the iPhone 18, 19, 20, or whatever is probably going to keep a very similar design on the back. So with that then, there is the potential that a screen could be added in the back middle here. Now, I have talked more about this design for the iPhone 17 Pro and the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and also the iPhone 17 Air. And if you want to check out those videos, definitely check them out on my channel page, because obviously I went over them very recently. But before we even continue on with some more information about the iPhone 17 Pro and the iPhone 17 Pro Max, I want to tell you about the giveaway we're having on this channel for this right here. This here is a Mac Mini with an M4 Pro inside of it, and I'm giving this away to one lucky subscriber. subscriber. And you can enter into this giveaway right now for this M4 Pro model. Like I said, it's the baseline M4 Pro, so it's got 512 gigabytes of storage. It's also got 24 gigabytes of RAM inside of it. And all you have to do to enter in at this stage is just put down into the comments below of what technology gear you're hoping to get in 2025. Maybe you're going to get yourself a new iPhone 17 model. Maybe you're going to get yourself a new MacBook, or maybe you're going to get something nothing Apple related, Nintendo Switch 2, something I'm definitely going to get, or maybe it's going to be a DJI drone or something like this. Just put it down into the comments below right now. Now, the second part of the giveaway is going to be happening near the end of March time, where I'll be making a video giving you more details about the actual giveaway, and this includes a form to fill in too, and also when I'll be doing the live stream to actually give away this Mac Mini. So you won't want to miss out on that video. So the best thing you can do right now is to make sure you subscribe to this channel and also hit that notification bell, because you won't want to miss out on it. Plus you want to be a subscriber too, because obviously I'm giving this away to a subscriber. The last thing I just want to quickly say to you guys is that sadly there are still lots of scammers and spammers out there. People still impersonating me, telling to WhatsApp, Telegram, Instagram direct message. Please do ignore these people. Best to succeed right here. Please do report them. So moving back then to the design of the iPhone 17 Pro and the iPhone 17 Pro Max. If you asked me 2 weeks ago if this was going to be the design, I probably would have said no. But like I said, I just want that one more kind of confirmation from, say, Mark Gurman or from, say, Min-Chi Kuo to say this is going to be the design. I think this is what we're going to go off going forwards potentially from my point of view, if that is going to be the case. And probably you guys would probably agree there. We just need one more solid leaker to actually confirm this. So yeah, we'll just have to wait and see on that one. The other thing though that guys probably want to know is when is the release date and price going to be for the iPhone 17 Pro models? Well, Apple in the past, they've normally done their sort of Apple event for the iPhone 17s in kind of the early teens of September time in the dates there. So most likely this is when it's going to be in 2025, and then we'll probably have to get our hands on the new iPhone 17 Pro models around about 10 days to 2 weeks later after that. So we're talking sort of end sort of teens or early sort of 20s of September times when you'll be able to get your hands on the new iPhone 17 models. Now for the actual price of the iPhone 17 Pro models, well, this one's a little bit up in the air at the moment, mainly to do with tariffs that are going on, you know, with imports and exports out of China, India, you know. I don't think there's any on India yet, but you never know. But you get the idea, there's a lot going wrong at the moment, so we've just got to wait and see what's going on the price. But if Apple didn't have to pay any extra on taxes and things like this, then I would probably be saying that the iPhone 17 Pro is going to be like the same sort of price that we have right now. That's $999 for the 128 gigabyte model, more than likely, with this new design too. So yeah, that's probably where that is going to be staying. But like I said, we'll have to see what's going on with tariffs and things like that. The only other thing to mention too is obviously if you live in other countries, depending on, say, import taxes and export taxes, and also how your currency is against the US dollar, depends on how much it will cost you to actually buy the phone. At the end of the day, Apple have to make the same amount of profit for every iPhone, no matter where they sell it in the world in equivalent US dollars. So just be aware of that too. But with that then, guys, what do you think? Do you think this is going to be the new design for the iPhone 17 models or the iPhone 17 Pro models? Well, let me know in the comments below. And with that as well, guys, it's time to wrap up this video too. So if you have enjoyed watching it, please do press the like button. Also, if you want to hear the latest Apple news, reviews, and also comparisons, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Until next time, guys, I'll see you really soon. Take care. Bye bye.